ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
x equal to 3 plus 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 2 by 3. Then prove that x cube minus 9x square plus 18x minus 12 is equal to 0. So this right, x minus 3 is equal to 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 2 by 3. Take this side, x minus 3 equal. Now cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. X minus 3 whole cube is equal to 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 2 by 3 whole cube. I think the formula a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is a minus b whole cube formula, and a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And also this is right, a cube plus b cube plus these two 3ab is taking common, that is a plus b. These are the algebraic identities which we discussed earlier classes. Sometimes you are applying this formula, the problem is easy. Sometimes you are applying this formula, the problem is easy. That depends on the given problem. Now for first one I am applying this formula, and the second expansion I am applying this one. Then you get easy answer. See here, this is a minus b whole cube formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square 3 square minus b cube is equal to, for second one you write this formula. If you take this expansion you get little bit confusion, little bit lengthy. So you can take this one, second one. So this is applying this a cube. So this is a 3 power 1 by 3 whole cube plus b cube 3 power 2 by 3 whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab 3 into 3 power 1 by 3 into 3 power 2 by 3 into a plus b 3. This is a, this is b. 3 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 2 by 3. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is x cube minus, so x square 9x square plus 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is 27x minus 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27 is equal to, there 3 gets cancelled, 3 plus 3 cancel, 3 square, that is 9 plus 3 power. So this is 1. So bases are equal, adding the powers, 3 power 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into this. In place of this you write x minus 3 x minus 3. X minus 3. So that is equal to these together 12 plus 3 power. So this is 3 is LCM. So this is 3 by 1. 3 is LCM, 3 LCM. So this is 1. So this is 3 plus 1 plus 2 into x minus 2. That equal to 12 plus 3 power. The whole thing is 6 by 3 into x minus 2. X minus 2. That is 12 plus 3 square 2 times 3 square of x minus 2. That is so I can write here so this is x cube minus 9x square plus 27x minus 27 is equal to 12. So this is 12 plus 3 square is 9 into x minus 2. That equal to 12 plus 9x minus 18. That is 9x minus 6. So you can take this side x cube minus 9x square plus 27x minus 27 minus 9x plus 6 is equal to 0. That is x cube and this is minus 9x square and this 27 minus 9 minus 18x and this is minus 27 plus 6 that is minus 21 equal to 0. So this is 12 plus 9 into, sorry, it is x minus 3. So I have done a small mistake. This is x minus 3. X minus 3. So this is 3. 3. This is also 3. So this is 27. 27. So this is 9x minus 15. Minus 15. So take this side, this is plus 15. Plus 15 equal to 0. Now this is minus 27 plus 15. That is minus 12. So a small mistake. Just from this x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 and this one. In the same model, you do the problem. If x is equal to 2 plus 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. Then prove that x cube minus 6x square plus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, this will do the problem. Same process, x minus 2 is equal to this, keeping on both sides, same process. Next one, conjugate sorts. Conjugate sorts. The sorts of the form a plus root b comma a minus root b are called conjugate sorts. And each sort is conjugate of other. For example, 2 plus root 3 comma 2 minus root 3. These are conjugate sorts. Root 5 plus 2. One sort minus root 5 plus 2. You can put the sign change only for the sort only, not for this number. So these are the conjugate sorts. This is a problem. Solve if 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 plus 5 minus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 is equal to 10. That is, find values of x. Five plus 2 root 6. Just you see this here. This is 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6. If you are multiplying and dividing by 5 plus 2 root 6 by 5 plus 2 root 6. So this is 5 minus 2 root 6. That means rationalizing numerator. Multiply and dividing by 5 plus 2 root 6 by 5 plus 2 root 6. Multiply and dividing by this. Now this part is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. So, algebraic identities that plays a vital role everywhere you get that form. Now, this is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, this is 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square numerator by 5 plus 2 root 6. So, this is a 25 minus this is 4 and this is 6. 2 root 6 into 2 root 6. That is 4 into 6, 24. 24 by 5 plus 2 root 6, which is 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. 2 root 6. So, 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6 is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. Now, this is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 plus 1 by, this is 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 is equal to 10. Equal to 10. Now, here put 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 is equal to a. Now, I am taking this is a, it becomes 1 by a. Now, this changes a plus 1 by a is equal to 10. Now, a LCM a square plus 1 is equal to 10. So, a square plus 1 is equal to 10a. A square minus 10a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, which is a quadratic equation in terms of a, Now, solve a. What is a is equal to formula? So, a means what? That is roots minus b plus or minus root of, actually this is the formula. Suppose x equal to b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So, this is the formula to find the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, that is a is equal to here. What is a equal to in this one? 1 x square, a square coefficient is 1 and a coefficient is, this is b, c is 1. Here a equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c equal to 1. So, this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So, a equal to minus b is minus or minus plus 10 plus or minus b square is 100 minus 4 into a is 1, c is also 1 by 2 into a is 1. So, that is 10 plus or minus root of 96 by 2, that is 10 plus or minus. So, this is root of 96 can be written as, so 96, that is 16 into 6, 16 into 6, 16 into 6 by 2, that is equal to 10 plus or minus root 16 is 4, 6 by 2. Take 2 is taking common, 2 common. So this is 5 plus or minus 5 plus or minus 2 root 6 by 2. 2 to gets cancelled. Therefore, that is 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. So this is A. That is the roots are A equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, comma 5 minus 2 root 6. These are the roots of the equation A square minus 10A plus 1 is equal to 0. Write down. So if A is equal to, I am taking 5 plus 2 root 6, A equal to. So 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 equal to A. What is A is here? Equal to this one. So this is 5 plus, where A is here, just to see this. 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power. That means what? Power is 1. Power is 1. So, just important point, if A power x is equal to A power y implies x equal to y, where A not equal to 0, A greater than, where A is greater than 0 and A not equal to 1. So this point is important point. A power x equal to A power y implies x is equal to y, where A is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. What happens if A is equal to 1? If A equal to 1, I am taking 1 square is equal to 1. 1 cube is also equal to 1. Is it possible? 2 equal to 3? Not possible. A power x equal to A power y implies x equal to y. A is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. Suppose if A is equal to 1, then what happens? I am taking 1 square is equal to 1. 1 cube is also equal to, both are equal. Is it possible to equal to 3? So that's wrong. So that's why A greater than 0 and not equal to 1. Not equal to 1. Clearly this is positive. This is also greater than, this is greater than 0. Therefore equating these powers, that is x square minus 3 is equal to 1, x square equal to 4, therefore x is equal to plus or minus 2. So this is one solution, x equal to plus or minus 2 comma minus 2. Next second one, if a is equal to 5 minus 2 root, a equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. A is 5 minus 2 root 6. So, where a is, where I am taking a is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. 2 root 6. This I am rationalizing into multiplying dividing by 5 plus 2 root 6 by 5 plus 2 root 6. 2 root 6. So this is again a minus b into a plus b form. A square minus b square. So a square is, so this is 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square by 5 plus 2 root 6. That is equal to 25 minus 24 by 5 plus 2 root 6. That is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. That is equal to, so this is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power minus 1. Minus 1. So 1 by x can be written as x to the power of minus 1, like this. So this side is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3. Clearly this is positive, this is positive, both are equal by using this condition. Using this condition, powers are equal. So x square minus 3 equal to minus 1, x square equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2, x is equal to plus or minus root 2, x is plus or minus root 2. Therefore, the solution x is equal to plus or minus 2 comma plus or minus root 2. Note down. Same model problem, you solve this problem. Find the values of x if 7 plus 4 root 3 whole power x square minus 8 plus 7 minus 4 root 3 whole power x square minus 8 is equal to 14. Answer plus or minus 3 comma plus or minus root 7. Same model problem, just to try this problem. So in general mathematics, the numbers, it is very, very important role. You have to difference what is a natural number, what is a whole number, what is an integer, what is a real number, what is a rational number, what is a irrational number. These are very, very important role, just like algebraic identities. So this is also very important role, important role. So just you learn about the numbers. I think all of you know all these things, but once again you can recollect all the points. Set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers. That is denoted by n. Numbers means 1, 2, 3 and so on. Natural numbers. For example, 2x is equal to 0. What is x equal to? 0 by 2 is 0. X is 0. So there is no solution in the set of all natural numbers. There is no 0 in natural numbers. So the extension of numbers. So that means what? Whole numbers. Whole numbers denoted by W. So this including 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. You observe that n is the subset of whole numbers. Subset of whole numbers. That means what? Every natural number is also a whole number. But the converse is not true. Converse. 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number. Compared to n, whole numbers is the big set. Next, set of all integers. Integers denoted by z or sometimes I is, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are all set of all integers. Integers. So compared to this one, so for example here x plus 2 is equal to 0. What about x equal to? Minus 2. There is no place, there is no solution in the set of all natural numbers or whole numbers. So that is extension of numbers. Extension of numbers. So these are called integers. So every whole number is also an integer. For example 0, they are also 0. But what about minus 1? Minus 1 is not a whole number, minus 1 is not a natural number. So compared to these two, so Z is the big set. That is the big set. Next one, set of all rational numbers. Set of all rational numbers, Q. It is denoted by P by Q form where Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0, these are all rational numbers. A rational number is of the form P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. For example, 2 by 3 is a rational number. 2 is also a rational number because 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 by 1. So 0 is also a rational number. 0 can be written as 0 by 1 or 0 by 2 or 0 by 3 like this. So every natural number is also rational number. Every whole number is also rational number. Every integer is also rational number. What is the condition? P by Q form where Q not equal to 0. That means what? There is a chance for P is 0 but Q not equal to 0. So compared to this is the big set. Big set. And one thing is, why? Because what? For example, 2x equal to minus 3. What is x equal to? Minus 3 by 2. So this is not a integer. This is not a whole number. This is not a natural number. So there is no solution in the set of all integers. That's why extension of numbers. That is x equal to minus 3 by 2. So which is a rational number. Irrational number. Irrational number means what? Which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. That numbers are irrational numbers. For example, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 7. These are all irrational numbers. And next to real numbers. Real numbers. That means the union of rational and irrational numbers. Union of rational and irrational numbers. That means what? The union of all these numbers. That is, it takes minus infinity to plus infinity. Every number is a real number. Real number. So, compared to this, real number is the big set. Real numbers is the big set. You can take any number, 4th root of 7 and 6th root of 8. You can take any number that is real numbers. So, that means what? It is minus infinity to, infinity means what? A large number, large positive number. Minus infinity means what? A large negative number that only a symbol, that is a symbol. So this is the order. For example, I think x square minus 4 is x square equal to 4. That means what? X square minus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 4 equal to 0 implies what is x equal to? X equal to x square is equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. Suppose x square plus 4 equal to 0, then what is x equal to? X. That means what? Here x square is equal to minus 4. X square is minus 4. X square is always greater than or equal to 0. If you write x equal to 0, the value is 0. X equal to 2, value is 4. X equal to minus 2, the value is plus 4. What about this one? Always less than 0. Always less than 0. For this, there is no real solution. There is no solution for this. X square plus 4 is equal to 0 has no solution in the set of all real numbers. There is no solution. No solution in the set of all real numbers. So, that's why you can have introducing a number that is called a complex number. Complex number is of the form a plus ib, where a comma b are real numbers. Real numbers. I is an imaginary value with the property I square is equal to minus 1. A complex number a plus ib form where a comma b are real numbers. A comma b are real numbers with the property I square is equal to minus 1. I means iota. I means iota. Euler was the first mathematician to introduce the symbol I with the property I square is equal to minus 1. So, a complex number is of the form a plus ib. A comma b are real numbers. Real numbers with the property I square is equal to minus 1. For example, 2 plus root 3 or 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. It is a complex number. 4 minus 5i. It is a complex number. Complex number. Suppose if you take 5. Is it a complex number or not? 5. 5 can be written as 5 plus I0. So, this is of the form a plus ib. A comma b are real numbers. So, 0 is a real number, 5 is a real number. This also complex number. What about 0? 0 can be written as 0 plus I0. So, this is also a treated as complex number. So, a complex number is of the form a plus ib. A comma b are real numbers. I means iota with the property I square is equal to minus 1. I square equal to minus 1. For example, what about 1? 1 is also treated as complex number. What about 0? is also a complex number. Compared to this, complex numbers is the big set. So this is the order. So this is the sequence. In general, we can discuss up to real numbers only presently. Real numbers. So this is complex number. That is one different one. Presently, we discuss about only this part, real numbers. See here, for x square plus 4 is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus 4 has no solution in real numbers, in R, real numbers. There is no solution. In case of what I am saying is, in real numbers, there is no solution. There may be a solution in other way. See here, x square is equal to 4 into minus 1. That is 4 into I square. Because I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, this is equal to 4I square. X square equal to. Therefore, x equal to plus or minus 2I. So, there is a solution in complex numbers. In complex numbers. But here, there is no solution in real numbers.